Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a post on Gumroad. So creating a post on Gumroad lets you share updates, announcements or content with your followers and customers, and to do that you will need us first to go with gumroad.com/dashboard, log in with your account and then click on emails at left hand menu, okay, or at left hand menu on dashboard. And here you will need to go with a new email and then just enter a title for your post and write the content in the text editor. You can include text updates, images from here, okay, so you can insert image and links also, so you can insert links in videos, okay, YouTube or Vimeo. You can customize your post, so you can attach a product, you can link or showcase one of your Gumroad products in the post, so you can find the product just right here on the product section, okay. And also you can schedule, so let's go back, let's go with scheduled, new email right here, and it's the same as you can see. So you can schedule as I told you, that's optional, so you can set a date and a time for the post to be published, and visibility, so you can choose if you want everyone to see it or not. And after you finish you can go with preview right here, so just click preview to see how it looks before publishing. Make sure formatting, links and media display correctly, and once finished you will need to click on publish right here. This is the scheduling, okay, and click on publish now, so you can choose the schedule just from that calendar icon, okay, so you can enter specific dates and time, then click on publish now, and make sure formatting, links and media, as I told you, display correctly. You can also save as draft if you want to finish it later, and then after publishing share your post, so share the post link on social media, email or embed it on your website to reach a larger audience. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.